Hey guys, so I upgraded my headphones from the Nothing Ear 1 to AirPods Pro 3, and I want you to hear something. That is a sound of a titanium grade engineering, which sounds almost like a $250 Tic Tac box. Now, listen to this. A $99 piece of plastic that actually sounds like it has a soul. And today I'm going to tell you exactly why I regret the switch and the stupid reason I'm still keeping them. Let's talk about what I gave up. The Nothing Ear 1, $99, transparent. It had that raw post Y2K energy. And honestly, we had a good thing. 3 years, no issues. Connection, instant. Battery, solid. The vibe, perfect. So why did I switch? Honestly, I just got curious. I upgraded my phone and thought to myself, why not just go full Apple? I wanted to check out the gimmicks, spatial audio, the ecosystem, the magic. But the truth is, I didn't need the upgrade. I just wanted one. And immediately, I knew I messed up. The first problem, it looks so boring, like painfully boring. It looks almost identical like the AirPods Pro 2. I had to buy a case just to tell them apart from the gas station knockouts. The worst part? The snap. There's no weight, no resistance, no satisfying thud, just cheap plastic snapping shut. The Nothing case feels much more intentional. So in contrast, the Apple case feels like a toy. However, just to be fair, Apple did get one thing right, the transparency mode. You squeeze the snap and suddenly the earbuds just disappear. It sounds like real life. No weird processing, no artificial feel. That's what Apple does the best. They remove friction completely. When you have the iPhone, the watch, the AirPods, they stop feeling like a separate product. They just exist and everything just works. But then they add stuff like spatial audio, which completely breaks the experience. Picture this. I'm walking my dog. I'm just listening to music. Then I turn my head to check something, and suddenly the voice just slides. So now I'm out here walking my dog like a psychopath. That feature exists better for keynotes, not for real life. This is the real issue with tech reviews. We focus on specs, numbers, prices, and features, but we almost never talk about how something really feels to live with. So why I'm keeping these? Because Apple is really good at one thing, making friction disappear. Returning them feels much harder than just keeping them, and that's the trap. But these are not going away, because they actually have a personality. At the end of the day, you pick your own poison. It's either save yourself $150 and keep your identity, or enter the ecosystem and let the friction disappear. I made my choice. I kind of hate it. But the real question is, would you pay more for less personality? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one.